Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. We are continuing the demo for GridMate Cockpit. Today, our focus shifts to accessing GridMate Cockpit user filter maintenance. This feature allows you to manage and maintain the filters. Here, we can view all the created filters, with all information needed. We can perform single sharing by selecting the user or public group. With access level read-only or read and write. Click Submit. We can delete filter. And also clone it. Also mass shared by selecting the user or public group. Moreover, we can define the access level. Also mass delete. Or mass clones. That's it. Thank you for watching.